When? Oh!
That was funny, huh?
Oh, he got it. And him. Oh, it tried to take off.
Is he trying to take off with that on? Is he trying to fly?
It's flying like a bird.
Like a bird.
But why do I move? Oh man!
You like your peanuts? Logan is my grandson, and he's here to visit me.
My grandson.
Okay, Christopher, you're included. And I don't know what he got on his clothes, but Moon really likes it. But he's being very gentle with the kitty. And we had a snack of some peanuts and olives. I'll skip it. Just a minute. Don't touch it. Good job. And animal crackers. And some little hot dogs. So maybe he smells like little hot dogs. I don't know. Little smokies. Remember to eat the nuts, not the shell.
Why?
Right.
Peanut?
Your peanut. That's how they make peanut butter. They squish them up to make peanut butter. So I thought you guys would enjoy seeing the cat rubbing up against Logan, and Logan sort of absently petting her the way he absently plays with his hair. Doesn't really think about it consciously, he just does it. Logan, you want to say goodbye to my video? Say bye-bye.
Goodbye, video.
Goodbye, video. Oh, you want to see this side? All right, come here. I'll let you see this side. See, there's the Tom and Jerry show on the tablet. All right, bye-bye. You say bye-bye to us. Bye-bye to us.